one of only 2 cities in Maryland to receive an electric ferry funding grant, a game changer that promises to enhance the city's connectivity and environmental sustainability. It's Friday, September 13th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the Annapolis Real Estate Report. The addition of an eco-friendly transportation system has profound impact on the housing market, drawing new residents who value sustainability, convenience, and an elevated lifestyle. Having adequate housing to meet the demand will continue to be an issue at the forefront as inventory in Annapolis is still well below historical numbers as prices continue to rise. Inventory rose again this week to 152 homes for sale in Annapolis, and there are 19 homes coming soon. 29 homes went under contract, holding at 20 days before going under contract. 25 homes sold at 100% list to sold ratio in 6 days, reflecting a continuance of a strong seller's market. Rentals dipped to 26 available at $3,225 median per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, September 13th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next week. Take care.